It's cold. That's high quality H2O. Sound like your coach, Bobby Boucher. Straight up water boys out here, man. I am shocked and appalled at the lack of communication and instruction coming from some of these boxing coaches, even in mega fights. They're telling their fighters nothing in between rounds. I mean, at least if you're not going to tell me nothing, I might as well just hire a water girl. Get me a sexy girl to look at in between rounds, take my mind off of the fact that I'm not getting any kind of help here. If you're a fighter, right, and you feel like when you go back to your corner in between rounds, you're just going back out there with no game plan, then you have, unfortunately, the wrong person in your corner. And I'll give you a little tip. If you want to find yourself a good coach, if you're already competing, go to the fights, get behind the scenes, see how they do their pre-fight preparation, see how, they take accountability over what's going on circumstantially, because there's a lot of things that can distract a fighter before a fight. See how they operate in between rounds under pressure as well. And I mean, honestly, if you're in a gym and you have a coach that he's not even, when you're sparring, giving you instruction, or you don't feel that connection with him, like, yes, motivation is part of it, absolutely. Sometimes if you're already winning a fight, your coach will just help you stay the course and give you another pep talk in between rounds. And that is sometimes just enough. But when you're in a situation when you really need help, that's when a pep talk is gonna be like useless. You need technical, fundamental, tactical, strategic understanding of what you're doing wrong so that you can correct it. And again, make adjustments while the game is in place so you can win the fight. That's what it all comes down to. And you only got a 60-second window as a coach. So it's very simple. You just pick out the top 2 or 3 things that they're not doing right, and then you give them a little, all right, man, go get them. You know what I'm saying? And that's pretty much it. But I don't know what's going on, man. I'm just like really seeing, and it's coming from both sides. I see guys that used to be great fighters that just don't have good communication skills. And then I'm also seeing this crazy epidemic of these father-son duels where the father's just trying to vicariously live through the son, and he never fought or he never had a background in the sport, and he's used to his son having easy fights. And when they get in trouble, the lack of knowledge just comes out, and it's on display. You know what I'm saying? Just like, damn, this guy's not really doing nothing for you. So before you embark on your competitive side of your career, for you new guys or for you guys that have been fighting already and you feel like the well is dry and you're not really getting the information that you need, go spend some time, man, at these fights and watch how these other coaches operate and get you the right coach. Because I've seen decent fighters turn into great fighters, and I've seen guys that were losing fights do a whole 180 and just get the right, the right dose of whatever the coach got and send him back out there, and he completely turns the situation around and turns tragedy into triumph, you know what I'm saying? And that's what a real coach is gonna do for you. So anyway, that's just my personal take. Make sure that you don't got no damn Bobby Boucher Waterboy in your corner, and you get you a real teacher that really cares about you and where you're going. And you'll see, man, sky's the limit, man. Things are different when you got the right person in your corner. Anyway, that's my take on it. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Go check me out on Instagram at @coach_. Online courses out now for you new guys. Link is in the description. Till the next time, we up out of here. Ow.